What's up, guys? How's it going? I am back with another recipe video for you guys. You all loved the dark chocolate avocado balls so much, so I was like, now we'll do something savory. So my favorite thing about these recipe videos is that I don't cook. If you guys know me, you know I'm never in the kitchen. I don't belong in the kitchen, but these recipes are super, super easy to make. They're kid-friendly, toddler-friendly. My 2-year-old loves them. Super easy to do and healthy as well. So we're gonna jump into some breaded chicken tenders. All right, so the ingredients that you guys are gonna need is some chicken tenders. You can also do this with like fillets or like bigger breasts. It would just have to cook a little different, but we're gonna go and use chicken tenders. You're going to need some olive oil, some Panko breadcrumbs. I just use like the Japanese style breadcrumbs. This is roasted garlic. You're gonna need some spray, some salt and pepper, some egg beaters, or you could use regular eggs if you want. And then you're also gonna need milk that I forgot to grab. We're gonna go grab that. And milk. You're also gonna need some milk. So those are the ingredients that you are gonna need. You're going to need a bowl for your mix-in, some tin foil, a skillet, and a baking dish of choice. Okay, so I already washed my hands. They're all clean. So the first thing that we're gonna go into is getting our egg mixture ready for our chicken. So like I said, you can use normal eggs if you want. I'm using egg beaters or like the H-E-B brand of egg beaters. And you're gonna go ahead and fill up your bowl. Not a whole lot, just enough to make sure that they're coated. And then you're also just gonna put some almond milk in there as well. You're gonna go ahead and add some salt and pepper. I don't know how to use this Panko. This is why I'm never in the kitchen, guys. This is why. And that is your egg mixture. And then what we're gonna do is we're just gonna put the chicken tenders into the egg mixture and let them just kind of sit in there for a little bit. Get that all mixed in there. We're gonna let that sit while we go and wash our hands and get our breadcrumb mixture ready. All right, so now what we're gonna do is, while the chicken is sitting in the egg mixture, we're gonna go ahead and get our breadcrumbs ready to go. And you're just gonna go and lay this out on your tin foil so that you can get them all coated. You can really use any breadcrumb of choice. I like the Panko because it kind of gives like a crunchier texture to it. We're gonna go ahead and get that all laid out. And then what we're also gonna do is turn on our skillet at a low to medium heat. Just try to get it warmed up a little bit before we throw everything in. So what you're gonna do in your skillet is you're gonna go ahead and add some olive oil, just enough to make sure that it's all cooking. This is a new one, so it has a lid on it. Reason number 5, I don't belong in the kitchen, guys. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and add our oil, let that warm up. And then we're gonna get our chicken tenders. We're gonna take them out of the egg wash and just roll them in our breadcrumbs. You're gonna wanna make sure you pat this down really good into the breadcrumbs so that it really sticks onto it. And then you're gonna go ahead and put that into your skillet. And just do that until essentially your skillet is filled up. Okay, so we are gonna let those cook in the skillet for about 1 to 2 minutes on each side all we really want them is to just be like a crispy golden brown. So they don't have to be cooked fully through because they're gonna go into the oven in a little bit. So we're just gonna let those brown up. I'm gonna wash my hands and then we'll get finished cooking them. So while we are letting those brown, we're just gonna go ahead and coat our cooking pan sheet thing with some spray, just so that they don't stick. And then we're gonna check on all chicken. It's got about 30 more seconds on each side. All right, so those are good to start flipping. Okay, so what you're also gonna wanna do is have your oven preheated to 450 degrees, because once they go out of the skillet, they're gonna go right into the oven, and that's what's gonna make them fully cooked through. So it's about finished up on this side. I'm gonna add them over to the cooking pan, and then we're gonna throw them in the oven. That's what they do in the videos, right? All right, guys, that is it. You just combine it with your favorite dipping sauce, your kids' favorite dipping sauce. They look so good. It's gonna taste like Chick-fil-A. I'm really excited. I'm about to dive in and eat these. If you guys try this recipe, let me know below what you guys think about it. Like I said, it's so easy to do. It's like a 5-minute prep time, 10-minute cook time. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy. Also let me know what other recipes you guys wanna see down below, and make sure you subscribe, give it a thumbs up, let me know what you wanna see. Can't wait to do more recipes for you guys. Look at me cooking, all because of you guys. My husband will thank you. Bye.